Rate of change. To draw a graph of the function y is 2x plus 5, we need a coordinate system. First, we complete a table of values. We choose any 6 input values, conveniently 3 negative values, 0 and 3 positive values. Then we use substitution to calculate the y or the output values. We plot the points on the coordinate grid. Each point consists of 2 coordinates. We draw a line through the points and we label the line. We check that the other points on the line fit the rule. This coordinate system is called the Cartesian plane. It consists of the x-axis, which is horizontal, and the y-axis, which is vertical. Origin is where x is 0 and y is 0. We work anti-clockwise, first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. The general rule for the coordinates of points, x semicolon y. The x coordinate is always first and the y coordinate always second. So here x is 3 and y is 0. What about this point? X is -4 and y is -4. Look, on the x-axis -4, on the y-axis -1, and where the -4 and -1 meet, voila, there's our point. What about this one? 2 and 3. Each point in the rectangular coordinate system has a unique set of coordinates. Let's try to graph this function. X is -3, y is -1. X is -2, y is 1. -1, 3, 0, 5, 1, 7, etc. And we draw our straight line. Notice that the line slopes up to the right. Notice that this value is positive. Notice the 5, and here we've got a 5 on the y-axis. Always good to try to see a pattern. Remember, first quadrant, there x and y will be positive. In the second quadrant, x will be negative and y positive. In the third quadrant, look, x is negative and y is negative. And in the fourth quadrant, x is positive and y will be negative. Let's practice. Let us practice. X is 0, x is -4, and y is 3. We use substitution. If x is 0, we solve for y. Y is 4. If x is -4, then y is 6. We've got our point. But be careful, now y is 3, so we have to solve x. X is 2. We've got 3 points. 0, 4, 2, 3, and -4, 6. Let's graph these points. X is 0 and y is 4. X is 2 and y is 3. X is -4 and y is 6. Notice it's a straight line, sloping down from the right. Y is -2x. If x is -3, we have to find y. Y is 6. So -3, 6 will be our coordinates. If y is 0, x is 0. If y is 10, x is -5. We have our 3 points. Let's plot the points. -3, 6, 0, 0, and x is -5, y is 10. Therefore, the line also slopes down to the right. Notice the coefficient of x is negative. Notice there's no value there and the line grows through the origin. What about this one? Y will be, pause the video and try for yourself. 2. If x is 0, what would y be? -1. If y is 1, what would x be? 6. So we've got our 3 points. Let's plot the points. First one, 9 and 2, 0 and -1, and 6 and 1. It forms a straight line. Notice this value of -1 on the y-axis. Notice that this value is positive and it slopes up to the right. In this lesson, we learned how to draw graphs from tables of ordered pairs.